Good morning, girls. Today we are going to discuss about the reflection of light. So first we'll see what is a reflection of light. Bouncing back off a ray of light when it strikes a boundary between different media through which it cannot pass. That means when the light ray bounce back to the same medium, that ray we call it as a reflection of light. Let us take an example that assume that this is a wall. When a boy hits a ball to the wall, what happens? It again, after striking to the wall, it again comes back to the boy again. That means it strikes a boundary. So the ball strikes here the boundary is a wall. So it strikes the boundary and it reflects, it bounces back. So this is a best example for the reflection of light. How the light gets reflected. The light, when it strikes the boundary, it reflects back to the same medium. That we call it as reflection of light. So these are the few examples of reflection of light. So when we see our face in the mirror, our face gets reflected, the image of our face gets formed on the mirror. That means here, take an example. Here see an example of this. Here we are able to see the image of this spot here. How the image of this spot is forming on the mirror? Here the light rays falls on the mirror and reflects back to the pot. So the image of the pot is forming on the mirror. Here this is an object and this is an image. So similarly here see the image is forming on the water. The image is forming on the image of this is the trees and the image of this mountain is forming on the water. That means because the light gets reflected from this, so that the image is forming in the water. These are the few examples of the reflection of light. Examples of reflection of light. So how the light is reflecting? Let us assume this is the plane surface and draw the normal normal ray which is perpendicular to the surface. This is a normal ray. When a light ray falls on the surface, the light ray which is falling on the surface, we call it as incident ray. Incident ray. When it falls on the surface, what happens? Here it reflects back to the same medium. When it passes through this medium, we call it as refraction. So it is coming back after striking the boundary. Here this is the boundary. After striking the boundary, it is coming back to the same medium. This ray we call it as reflected ray. So in between these two, there is an angle theta, I. Angle I. I is an angle of incidence. And here from the normal to the reflected ray we call is a angle of reflection. So according to the law of reflection of light, the reflection of light will be on the same medium is the first point. The incident ray and reflected ray will be on the same medium. First point, they are in the incident, they are in same medium. And second point, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of refraction. The angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection.